Stepping into a Pakistani clothing market is like entering a vibrant dream. Silks shimmer under the market lights. Intricate embroidery catches the eye. The air hums with the chatter of vendors and customers. Rolls of fabric in every hue and texture are stacked high. Vendors expertly drape fabrics, showcasing their quality. The market is a melting pot of cultures with people from all walks of life. The rhythmic click-clack of looms can be heard in the distance. Each thread, each stitch tells a story of heritage and artistry. From Punjab's embroidery to Sindh's mirror work, the market showcases diverse styles. The Shalwar Kameez, Pakistan's national dress, is a testament to its elegant simplicity and enduring appeal. This versatile garment, consisting of loose trousers, shalwar, and a long tunic kameez, is worn by men and women across the country. Its comfort and practicality make it a beloved choice for people of all ages. The Shalwar Kameez is more than just clothing. It's a symbol of national identity, uniting Pakistanis across diverse backgrounds. The Lehenga, a long skirt paired with a blouse and a dupatta, is the quintessential attire for weddings and other festive occasions in Pakistan. Its flowing silhouette and intricate embellishments evoke a sense of regal elegance. From heavily embroidered designs to shimmering sequined creations, the Lehenga is a statement of celebration and joy. The Saree, a long piece of cloth draped around the body, is another popular choice for celebrations. Its graceful draping and intricate patterns add a touch of timeless sophistication. The choice of Lehenga or Saree often reflects regional customs and family traditions. These garments are not just clothes, they're heirlooms, passed down through generations, carrying with them stories of family history and cultural heritage. They embody the spirit of Pakistani festivities. Section 4. Regional splendor, a tapestry of traditions. Pakistan's regional diversity is reflected in its vibrant array of traditional attires. The Sindhi Ajrak, a block-printed shawl with intricate geometric patterns, is a symbol of Sindhi culture. The Balochi dress, with its vibrant embroidery and mirror work, reflects the nomadic heritage of the Balok people. Phulkari, meaning flower work, is a traditional embroidery technique from Punjab. The vibrant floral patterns embroidered onto brightly coloured fabrics symbolize joy and celebration. Phulkari shawls and dupatta are cherished heirlooms passed down through generations. The Chitrali cap and shawl, made from soft wool, are distinctive features of the Chitrali people's attire. The intricate embroidery and unique designs reflect their mountainous homeland and their rich cultural heritage. These garments provide warmth and protection in the harsh mountain climate. Section 5. Adornments, jewellery and footwear. Traditional Pakistani jewellery adds a touch of sparkle and elegance to any outfit. From intricately designed gold necklaces to delicate silver earrings, Pakistani jewellery reflects the country's rich artistic heritage. Peshawari Chappals, handcrafted leather sandals, are a popular footwear choice in Pakistan. Their intricate designs and comfortable fit make them a versatile option for both men and women. Kusas, another type of traditional footwear, are embroidered leather slippers often worn for special occasions. Their intricate designs and vibrant colours add a touch of elegance to any outfit. From intricately designed bangles to delicate anklets, traditional Pakistani jewellery enhances the beauty of cultural dresses. They represent the rich artistic heritage of Pakistan. Section 6. Bridging eras tradition meets modernity. Pakistani fashion is constantly evolving, blending traditional elements with modern sensibilities. Designers are incorporating traditional embroidery, prints and silhouettes into contemporary designs, creating a fusion of old and new. This blend of tradition and modernity appeals to a younger generation while preserving the richness of Pakistani cultural heritage. Modern Pakistani fashion embraces global trends while staying true to its roots. Designers are experimenting with new fabrics, cuts and embellishments, creating unique and innovative designs.